Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, we'll check out the emotion-based music recommendation system. So in that project, it will open the laptop front camera and identify the person emotions, and according to that, it will suggest the music. So let's open the project folder and run the app.py file. Then we'll check out the folders. So let's open in terminal, then write python space app.py, then enter. So that particular user interface developed using Flask framework, and it will generate the URL. So just click on that particular URL. Then it will open the laptop webcam, identify the person emotions. So it will identify the person emotion, and according to that, it will suggest the song. And in the song recommendation section, there will be a name, album, and the artist name. Okay, those are the recommendation, and identify the person emotion as well. So let's check out the project code. Now the second folder for the songs, song recommendation. Let's open any of the dataset of angry songs. You can check it out: the name, album, and artist, and the serial number. Angry, disgusted, fearful, happy, neutral, sad, and the surprise. Let's go back. Now open the static folder. This will be the CSS file for creating the graphical user interface, and this will be the templates folder, index.html file. So that will be the HTML code for a web interface. Let's go back. Now this will be the app file, camera.py. Like from that, it will open the laptop web camera. In the starting line, we are importing the libraries, required libraries like NumPy, OpenCV, Pillow, TensorFlow, Keras, datetime, threading, time, pandas, and we are importing the XML file, emotion dictionary, like 0 for angry, 1 for disgusted, 2 for fearful, 3 for happy, 4 for neutral, 5 for sad, and 6 for surprised. And we are importing all the CSV files from the songs folder, and class for calculating the FPS while streaming, and use this to check performance of using another thread for video streaming. Like store the start time, end time, total number of frames that were examined between the start and end interval. Class for using the another thread for video streaming to boost performance. Start the thread to read frame from the video stream. Keep looping infinitely until the thread is stopped. If the thread indicator variable is set, stop the thread. Otherwise, read the next frame from the stream. Class for reading, video stream, generating prediction and recommendation. It will get the video frames and recommend the songs. There will be a name, album, and artist values. So this will be the complete Python code. And let's open the app.py file. In that, we are importing the libraries like Flask, Unicorn, Camera, and the heading will be the name, album, artist. Index.html we are importing, or we are defining the index.html file. And let's check out the spotify.py. This will be the training code. In the starting line, we are importing the libraries. Then there will be a test and training file. This will be the complete training code. And at the end, it will generate the model.h5. So let's close this. Now this will be the readme file. Let's open that. So recommending the music based on your facial expression using FER 2013 dataset and Spotify API. Features real-time expression detection and song recommendation. Playlist fetch from Spotify using API. New morphism UI for website. Tech stack, Keras, TensorFlow, Spotify, tkinter, and Flask. Dataset we are using the FER 2013 dataset. Model architecture. image processing and training, and project components. And this will be the requirement file. This will be the Python library with their particular versions which we are using for that particular project. And let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. And if you are in doubt related to any of the project, then you can just contact us on WhatsApp. I'll share the WhatsApp number in the video description. And if you're developing any of the project in the computer science domain, then we have prepared the project list. So let's open the project list. And if you want that particular list, then you can just text project list in the WhatsApp. I will share that particular list. This is the WhatsApp number. And we have developed projects in multiple domain like machine learning, deep learning, AI, data analytics, data science, image processing, NLP, OpenCV, web development, Java, Android app development, cybersecurity, IoT, and many more. If you want that particular project list, then you can directly contact us on WhatsApp and just say project list on WhatsApp. I will share that particular list. So let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. And thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.